Hey, little money minds! Want to earn money and have fun at the same time? Today, we're sharing 10 awesome ways you can earn money right from home. Let's go! 1. Chores champion. Help around the house or your neighbors. Sweeping, cleaning rooms, or washing dishes can earn you extra cash. 2. Pet sitter superstar. Do you love animals? Take care of your neighbor's pets while they're away, feeding, walking, or playing. 3. Lemonade legend. Open your very own lemonade or snack stand. Homemade snacks and cool drinks always sell well. 4. Garden guru. Help neighbors with garden chores like planting flowers, watering plants, or pulling weeds. 5. Crafty creator. Make cool crafts or drawings and sell them to family or friends. Handmade art is always special. 6. Recycling rockstar. Collect bottles and cans for recycling. You'll earn money while helping the planet. 7. Storytime star. Are you good at storytelling? Record audio or video stories to entertain younger kids. 8. Cookie chef. Bake delicious cookies or treats with an adult's help, then sell them to neighbors or family members. 9. Garage sale. Genius. Ask your parents to help organize a garage sale. Sell toys, books, or clothes you no longer use. 10. Tech helper. Are you great with tech? Help older family members or neighbors set up phones, tablets, or computers. See? Making money can be super fun. Try one or even all of these ideas, and soon you'll be a real little money mind. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips. See you next time.